Hello, in this video I shall be discussing 5 topics. The first topic is IFFHS. The full form of it is International Federation of Football History and Statistics. So all the records of the football matches and all the history of football is present in International Federation of Football History and Statistics, that is IFFHS. The headquarters of IFFHS are in Lausanne, Switzerland. So the headquarters are in Switzerland, Lausanne, and the work that it does is it takes up or it chronicles all the history and records of football in the world. So that is the main important function of IFFHS, and this is in line with Association of Football. So we have Football Association, and all the matches in the Football Association, the history, records of the matches, the statistics and everything are recorded in IFFHS. And it announces world's best player every year, so that's an annual event, and all players of football will be looking up for this prestigious award of world's best player by IFFHS. So this is about it. The headquarters are at Lausanne, Switzerland. The next topic is the Secret Code. The Secret Code is the name of a book authored by Geraldine Brooks. Geraldine Brooks, she is a very famous author and she is a Pulitzer Prize winner also. So in 2005 she got Pulitzer Prize, and that's how she is a famous author, and she authored this book called The Secret Code. This book is a historical novel and in history that dates back to Second Iron Age. So Iron Age, and the part that she covers is Middle East. So the Second Iron Age conditions of the Middle Eastern world she covers in this book called The Secret Code. So the exact theme of the book is to speak about the life of King David. King David is a very famous king of Israel present in the Middle East during the Second Iron Age time. So his life she depicts in this book of The Secret Code. So while speaking about his life, she also covers these conditions of Iron Age of Middle Eastern part of the world in the book. The next topic is Sahaj International. Sahaj International is the name of a school. This is the first transgender school in India. So all the students over there are transgenders, and this is a part of uplifting their conditions. So this Sahaj International School has come up. It is present in Kerala in Ernakulam district in a place called Thrikkakara. So the first state to have first transgender school in India is Kerala. So that is Sahaj International. So this has got 3 aims to do with these transgender people, that is to give them security, to give them salvation and sustainability. So we know they are a very vulnerable section of people, so that those people have to be given security, salvation and sustainability. So these are the 3 aims of Sahaj International towards transgenders. So this is in line with or in collaboration with NIOS, National Institute of Open Schooling. National Institute of Open Schooling is a board of examination in India, so that allows students to appear for 10th and 12th board exams. So this is a separate board in which the students can be physically away from the school and the teachers, and they can appear just for the exam. So that is open schooling. So they do not need to be present in the school, they can study anywhere. So this is a kind of flexible educational system, that is open schooling. So National Institute of Open Schooling will allow these people who are away from teachers and schools to come back and write their exams, their board exams of 10th and 12th under this board of NIOS. So this Sahaj International is in collaboration with this particular board of NIOS. The next topic is magicbricks.com. So this is a private company. So that is in news because State Bank of India entered into a memorandum of understanding with magicbricks.com. This is an online classifieds portal that is related to the real estate sector, the construction, buildings and all. So this is a kind of builders company. So in order to do this joint marketing activities, SBI, the public sector, India's largest public sector bank, has gone into collaboration or understanding with magicbricks.com. So this is to rejuvenate or revive the real estate sector in India. So under this there will be Housing Carnival held. Carnival is an exhibition or a festival wherein the projects of Magicbricks will be showcased. So all the projects that the State Bank of India approves or showcased through a campaign called Steal the Deal campaign. So Steal the Deal campaign is a campaign taken up together by magicbricks.com and State Bank of India. So in this campaign, the SBI approved projects of Magic Bricks will be showcased. So all of this will be present in Magic Bricks platform. So this is the first ever huge housing carnival in which a public sector bank is going into memorandum of understanding with a private builders company like magicbricks.com. So this is in news. The last topic for today is reservations in judicial services. So Bihar government has announced 50% reservations in judicial services. So this is a very huge landmark decision that the Bihar government has come up with. This is to give a good place for all sections of society in even judicial services of the state of Bihar. So according to that, the 50% reservations are distributed thus, like to OBCs, SCs, STs and EBCs. The other backward castes are going to get 12% of reservation. SCs, scheduled castes are going to get 16% and scheduled tribes are going to have 1%, and economically backward classes sections are going to get 21% of reservations in judicial services of Bihar government. So the older reservation of women reservation and disabled reservations are going to continue even after giving this 50% reservations to sections. So 35% to women and 1% to disabled people. And these reservations are now given to superior judicial services. Earlier there is no quota for superior judicial services, no reservations, but now even superior judicial services are going to have these reservations. And subordinate judicial services, earlier they used to have 27% of reservations. Now these subordinate judicial services are also given this 50% reservation. Thus this judicial services system is updated in Bihar government, under Bihar government. So these are the present reservation things in Bihar's judicial services, which is a very huge landmark decision. This is like a step towards social empowerment to have every section in judicial services of Bihar government state. So these are all the 5 topics for today, and thank you.